Hey guys, this is Leadono review. Leadono, groundbreaking smart LDO technology finally allow you to effortlessly capture verified emails with just a touch of click and grow your list virally on autopilot. Auto build subscriber list for social platforms user from Apple and cream of the top Amazon buyer. This is a features world first lead automation app with LDO technology automatically sends lead with major autoresponders, boost result with smart email reminders, utilize instant wise viral referral traffic system, cloud software nothing to download or install. Simple 3-step process, no prior experience required. Capture verified email with a touch of or a click. Replace outdated opt-in forms with a smart button. Add content in any language. Use app in 9 language. Includes all software updates free. This is what people saying about Leadono. Yeah. Here is how easy Leadono is to use. First, log into your account. Second, create a campaign. Third, share or promote your link. Auto will subscriber list verified automatic email since mainstream companies do whatever takes you rely people from typing on the phone. Who is Leadono for? Product creator, affiliate marketer, freelancer, entrepreneurs, business owner, coaches and consultants, advertiser, e-commerce store owners, bloggers and influencers. Build a list the old way with Leadono technology you can capture a verified email a touch or a click automatically since lead with major autoresponders, replace outdated opt-in forms with smart button, utilize device viral referral traffic system, boost results with smart email reminders, add content in any language, use app in 9 language, collect way more leads. Work anywhere with an internet connection, use custom domain for reminder pop-ups, customized lead page without coding, sharing campaign and drive traffic require opt-in for any content you choose.